Have you ever wondered just how safe your data really is? In the world of cybersecurity, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but with knowledge and vigilance, one can certainly improve their odds. Today, we delve into a common yet dangerous type of cyber attack, known as SQL injection. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a programming language used to communicate with and manipulate databases. Most of the web applications that you interact with every day use SQL to manage data stored in databases. But what happens when there's a chink in the armor? Enter SQL injection. SQL injection, in the simplest terms, is a code injection technique that attackers use to sneak malicious SQL code into a query. The goal? To trick the system into revealing sensitive information or manipulating the database. Imagine a web application where you can log in. To check if your username and password match the ones in the database, the application forms an SQL query. It's a simple command that looks something like, select asterisk from users where username's your username and password your password. But what if, instead of a password, an attacker types in a cunningly crafted SQL statement, one that always evaluates as true, such as, or 1 = 1, this transforms the command into select asterisk from users where username your username and password =, or 1 = at 1 now. As 1 always equals 1, this command will always be true, even if the username and password are incorrect. The result? Unauthorized access. The implications of SQL injection can range from data theft, data modification, to denial of service attacks and even remote code execution. Pretty scary, right? However, the good news is that SQL injection can be prevented. Here are some strategies. First, use parameterized queries or prepared statements. This ensures that user input is always treated as literal data, not part of the SQL command. Second, use a web application firewall. It can help filter out malicious data and provide an additional layer of security. Third, regularly update and patch your systems. Vulnerabilities are often exploited in out-of-date software. Lastly, least privilege principle. Only give the necessary permissions to each user or application. This minimizes the potential damage in case of an attack. In conclusion, SQL injection is a serious threat in the world of cybersecurity. It's a technique that exploits vulnerabilities in a web application's database query software, allowing attackers to manipulate SQL commands to gain unauthorized access and control. But by understanding how it works and implementing preventative measures such as parameterized queries, web application firewalls, regular updates and patches, and the principle of least privilege, the security of your data can be significantly enhanced. In the realm of cybersecurity, knowledge is your best defense. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember, the safety of your data is in your hands.